ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് എക്സാം ടോപ്പറിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് അക്കൗണ്ടിങ്ങിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: ബുക്ക് കീപ്പിംഗ് ഈസ് മെയിൻലി കൺസേൺഡ് വിത്ത്. ആൻസർ: ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി, recording financial data relating to business operation. Next question: every debit must have a corresponding credit is the concept in. Answer: option B, double entry system. The accounting equation is based on. Answer: option D, dual aspect concept. AAA stands for. Answer: option B, American Accounting Association. Which of the following books should be used to record an adjusting entry on depreciation? Answer: option D, journal proper. The cash book always shows. Answer: option A, debit balance. French word jour means. Answer: option A, day. Overdraft facility is provided on. Answer: option B, current account. Dash is created for meeting some expected loss. Answer: option B, provision. Receipts and payments account serves the purpose of. Answer: option C, cash book. The difference between sales and cost of goods sold. Answer: option A, gross profit. Profit and loss account is a dash account. Answer: option C, nominal account. Rent paid in advance is a. Answer: option A, asset. Depreciation is provided on. Answer: option C, fixed assets. Example of fictitious assets. Answer: option C, preliminary expense. Journal entries made to correct mistakes are known as. Answer: option C, rectification entries. Rent and rates are examples of dash expenditure. Answer: option C, revenue expenditure. Closing stock is a. Answer: option C, asset. Dash column of the cash book will not be balanced. Answer: option C, discount. Consignment account is an example of dash account. Answer: nominal account. Goodwill is a dash asset. Answer: option B, fixed asset. General ledger is also called. Answer: option B, nominal ledger. When the stock is undervalued, it is a. Answer: option C, error of commission. Income and expenditure account in case of non-trading concern is dash in the case of trading concern. Answer: option C, P&L account. Which of the following is not depreciated? Answer: option A, land. Goods given as samples should be credited to? Answer. Option B. Purchase account. Profit which can be legally distributed to shareholders is? Answer. Option B. Divisible profit. Profit on sale of fixed asset is? Answer. Option A. Capital profit. A reserve created by showing assets at a lower value and liability at a higher value is? Answer. Option C. Secret reserve. A reserve which is not disclosed in the balance sheet is? Answer. Option C. Secret reserve. A provision made to replace an asset at the end of its working life is? Answer. Option A. Depreciation fund. A fund created for the replacement of an asset or the repayment of liability is called? Answer. Option B. Sinking fund. Reserve invested outside the business is? Answer. Option A. Reserve fund. Set apart profit not meant for any specific purpose is called? Answer. Option A. Reserve. A documentary evidence in support of an entry in the book of account is? Answer. Option A. Voucher. Any amount written off or retained for providing depreciation, renewal, etc. are called? Answer. Option A. Provision. Purchase of building debited to purchases account is an error of? Answer. Option A. Principle. The father of modern accounting is? Answer. Option D. Luca Pacioli. The art and science of recording business transaction in the book of account is? Answer. Option C. Bookkeeping. Double entry system of accounting was developed in? Answer. Option A. 1494. The loss of goods due to the avoidable causes like accident, theft, etc. is? Answer. Option C. Abnormal loss. Under what system of accounting the trader keep both personal account and cash book? Answer. Option A. Pure single entry system. The balance of forfeiture share account is transferred to? Answer. Option C. Capital reserve. Uncalled portion of subscribed capital is called? Answer. Option B. Reserve capital. Revaluation account is used to record? Answer. Option B. Changes in the values of assets and liabilities. Statement of affairs at the beginning is prepared to find out? Answer. Option B. Opening capital. Credit sales for the period are ascertained by preparing? Answer. Option A. Total debtors account. The revenue statement of non-trading institution is? Answer. Option B. Income and expenditure account. The excess of receipts over payment represents? Answer. Option A. Cash in hand. Receipts and payment account serves the purpose of. Answer option C, cash book. ഓപ്ഷനിൽ ബി എന്നാണ് കിടക്കുന്നത്, പക്ഷേ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് ക്യാഷ് ബുക്ക്. ഡിപ്രിസിയേഷൻ arises because of. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി, wear and tear. Discount on debtors is debited in. Answer option B, P&L account. Goods taken for personal purpose is credited to dash account. Answer option purchase account. Income due but not received are called. Answer option A, accrued income. Outstanding salary is. Answer option B, liability. അക്കൗണ്ടിങ്ങിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ കണ്ടത്. അപ്പം എല്ലാവർക്കും വീഡിയോ ഉപകാരപ്പെട്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക.